Ganpati festivals is just around the corner, and I wanted to make something sweet and delicious which can be stored and can be served both to the non-keto and also to the keto family. So here comes a delicious protein rich pumpkin laddu which you're going to just serve it. Very easy to make and very simple ingredients are required. So hello and welcome to Magic in My Food. This is Jyoti Dalmia. So let's begin with the protein rich pumpkin laddus. These are my protein rich laddus. Can you see? Lovely.
Drop the fresh coconut without the brown skin. Slice it small so it becomes easier for you to churn it. And I'm going to churn it into fine pieces. You can even grate it, but I prefer and it's easier for me to churn. So after churning, see, the consistency is perfect. And here I've taken the pumpkin.
For this I have taken the normal pumpkin. Mine is not so yellow in color. If you can get of the dark yellow color pumpkin, nothing like it, because that would give a lovely rich color, because you would feel you are having the bundi laddu, that golden yellow color.
And I've sliced it and I've churned it. You can literally grate it even. So I've taken a pan and I'm dropping the churned pumpkin pieces into it. Drop some ghee or clarified butter into it. And I'm going to saute it. As it starts cooking, it will melt. That is, the pumpkin will become soft. And this will roughly take about 5 minutes. See, it has started melting. Can you see? Now I'm adding the protein portion, that is my cottage cheese or paneer, which is homemade. It's very simple to make paneer at home. Simply boil 1 liter of milk, add lemon juice or vinegar, roughly about 1 tablespoon, and just boil it and it will curdle. Then sieve the milk and you will get the paneer. Here I am dropping the fresh coconut.
I am adding the fresh coconut. If you don't want to add, don't add it. You can simply avoid it.
Just saute it and cook for at least 5 minutes. It's a very easy dish which can be prepared within 10 to 15 minutes. Basically, I have seen, children or many members don't like pumpkin, but they will love this laddu. Here I am dropping that Indian flavor, that is your cardamom powder goes into it. Dropping some sugar-free stevia into it and give it a magic mix. You can add any sugar-free like stevia, erythritol or monk fruit, whatever you have, serve. And here I am dropping some unsweetened cranberries, that is your dried one. I have literally chopped 1 cranberry piece or the dried portion into at least 4 pieces so that I have a lovely bite and I don't have to use much of the quantity. Just give it a magic mix and it's done. So I'm going to let it cool for 5 minutes so that it is holdable. That is, you can put it in your hand because I have to form laddu. Now I'm taking small portion of the mixture and I'm giving it a ball shape or the round shape and forming laddus out of it.
I am rolling it into the laddu form, but if you want to give it a very festive look, you can make it in the Modak shape, that with the help of the Modak also, or with hand also you can shape it into the Modak form.
And I'm putting it in over a plate. These laddus, you can eat it for 2 weeks, but you have to put it in the fridge. You can't keep it outside, otherwise it will get spoiled. So, preparing the other laddus even, simply take small portions, roll it between your fingers and hand, and your laddu is made. And my laddus are done.
So, here comes the tasting time. Let me put it inside my mouth. Awesome. I'm loving the flavor. The flavor is awesome and you're going to just love it because this is a perfect recipe to serve to any guest and also to yourself even. So if you have liked it and enjoyed it, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and post comments and queries. I would love to answer it. Thank you.